Well guys, I'm going to clean this amplifier. As you can see, already started over here, this blue section. I hate it when this thing is, well, normally I don't care so much lately how an amplifier is looking from the inside. But without hearing this amp, I heard this amp when I bought it. And I bought it with those BMW 801 Series 80s, and I paid €400 for the set. And I think I will sell the speakers, but I think I will keep the amplifier. I so much like the most important thing from this amplifier, why I like it more, as for example my POA 1500 with the beautiful big VU meters, or that Yamaha M80, also 2 times 200 watt, is that this amplifier can handle 2 ohms. In other words, you never need another amplifier again in your life if you have this amplifier. It can handle everything. I was hunting for a Bryson 4B ST because I sold the old one and I wanted to buy that back. But yeah, the Bryson 4B ST is about €1,100 if you are lucky, a mint one. If you are lucky, you can score a mint one for €1,100, and yeah. And I have this thing, even if I sell the speakers, I can have €750 for these speakers back. I paid 400, so I have this amplifier for free. So why not keep it? Why not keep it? So I'm gonna clean it. And that's why I told you I made a video from a magic brush I ordered, a soft brush, for my speakers, for the drivers of my speakers, for my laptop. But for the cleaning from this amplifier, you need a brush like this, a painting brush. The brush I ordered can also clean records, and that's too soft for this stuff. I'm going to show you how fast I'm going to clean this thing. And watch this travel, my friends. It is just, I never saw a big travel. I look on the internet how big this travel is, but even here it is dusty. You see how dusty it is? Very, very dusty. But I will clean everything, and I could not find how big this how much kilowatt this travel is. No info on the net. But okay, maybe one of you knows. Wow. Wow, it is clean again. Beautiful it is now. First I thought when I bought this thing it was a device full with nicotine, and I asked I asked the guy who sold it, did your father was a smoker? He told me yes. And what I could see, just what I could see, I thought, okay, this is a smoker thing, and I hate smoker amplifiers. I know you can clean those things. You can. Hey, I see. I missed a spot over there. I know you can get them completely clean, but that will be a very hard job. And now it is completely clean again. It is unbelievable, my friends. Over here I missed a spot, I see. In this corner I missed a spot. Here I missed a spot. Yeah, it's clean now. Anyway, my friends, it is a beauty. It is a beauty. Let's see what kind of travel. I cannot read nothing about the travel, how big it is. And I went on the internet and I do not see a number on it. I see there standing NAD, Austin manufactured, a whole grain transformer, very big transformer. Hey, this one is not clean yet. I thought I cleaned them all. Okay, they have. Let me see how big are these things. Let me take my phone and put some light on it. You see how big they are. They are 85 degrees, so not 105 but 85. And on the side, I didn't clean the sides, but that is not that important. I cannot read anything. Let me see. It has to stand over there. 80 degrees. Nichigon. Wow, Nichigon, my friends. I mean, NAD is a brand, a very good brand, and they do not use cheap components. And how big are they exactly? Let me see. Strange, I cannot discover that. I think these are transistors, but you can still order when they break down, because if you have those some of those transistors, they are not available anymore for some amplifiers. But I think, I'm not sure if you are a specialist and if you see these transistors, what do you think? Are these the ones you can find easy if one of two are broken? I think so, yes. Yeah. These are the easy stuff, and I think everything what is in this amplifier, it is easy to repair. It is an easy setup. What I'm seeing, all the boards can come off very easy, like this one. It is this board what you see over here. It is screwed with 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and then the board comes completely loose. And not sure about this side or that side, but it is a very impressive looking amplifier, my friends, very impressive. And I already read on the internet what other people say, and of course I have to do my own test to discover that, but it is promising. And I thought the second-hand price was about 400, but I was wrong. It is much more expensive. It is about, I think, around 700 euro. And Not sure if it is in this one is a new one. It looks new, not a scratch. So probably this one will have a value from 800. So I read some nice stories on the internet already. I never knew of the existence of this amplifier. Never saw this amplifier. Never knew that NAD make this these huge amplifiers. But I can tell you one thing, I'm 100% convinced that it sounds better than that advanced acoustic thing I had, that beautiful amplifier, 2 times 160 watt that one was. And I'm 100% convinced that this one sounds better as that one. Does it sound the same as the Bryston? Well, we have to discover, And I still have that then a POA 1500 and a Yamaha M80, so I can test all of three and then stay with the best. The rest I will sell, you know. But for one thing, I'm not sure why. Maybe because I pay so cheap. Maybe because of this travel. Maybe because it is NAD. Yeah. For now, and even Yamaha have that beautiful, but that beautiful. It is more beautiful. Also, that denim is more beautiful. But for one reason, I like this thing. I'm not sure why. Maybe it is a THX, but I don't think you will hear it. Normally, I do not like the THX sound in amplifier, but I believe that this amplifier is a completely different thing than the amplifier I had before, which had THX. So, okay guys, thanks for watching this cleaning video. And I'm curious if you ever heard somebody have this amplifier or had, what is his experience? I mean, do they last long? Are they strong? I mean, Bryson gave a guarantee from 20 years, you know, and how strong or how reliable are these amps? I'm curious if you have some info about these amps, and because I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed by the travel, and that's, I think, the reason why it can handle 2 ohm. I even read that it can handle 1 ohm speakers. It's unbelievable that it can handle 1 ohm speakers. It's unbelievable, my friends. Yeah, it's only a pity that it only have 1 speaker connection, not A and B, so you can B-wire, and that's a pity. Yeah, but for the rest, the thing have everything you need in this amplifier. And I have it for free, my friends. I have it for free. Come on, man. I mean, but okay, the sound is important, most important thing. And the overall winner, the Denon POA 1500 and the Yamaha M80, I will compare it with this one. And I will stick with the best sound and the best sounding one. And the rest I will sell. Yes. Well, thanks for watching this video. Cleaning video, simple. That's why you always need a magic brush, my friends. You always need a brush for these kind of jobs. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.